So literally drone battery got low and I had to land somewhere over there. Homba, Noratal. And uncle is taking me there through boat. And it's raining as well. This one, I have experienced everything at Loktak. So, we are. Good morning everyone. So this was the last day at Loktak and so I decided to go for a morning canoe ride. This boat ride is so peaceful. You just see people, fishermen going out to different places, put their fish nets and probably those fish traps at different places. And then you hear all the birds chirping, like kind of different types of birds flying around, chirping. This is so relaxing. So they literally have to see the nets being led as well, because these plastic bottles, right, they're basically nets, so they don't cross those nets. Basically they will just go along it or probably not cross it, because it might damage the nets as well. So they'll take a round to get to certain places if there are nets over there. See those lines, see those bottles. We're just going through this way. They don't literally do an across line towards that nets. Literally drone battery got low and I had to land somewhere over there. Homba, Noratal. And uncle is taking me there through boat. And it's raining as well. I know where it got landed, near to some blue hut over there. So this is also another experience for me. I think it's gonna rain. My first experience, the drone getting lost, but things really got changed and got tensed as in when it started raining, because I could not land it to a shade where there was a hut there. I could not land it inside the hut where it doesn't rain. But when it started raining, I really got tensed. But I didn't show it up on my face, but I was literally tensed if my drone will get lost. But then I got an idea and then phoned my Ashok, who is the owner of my homestay, and he asked him to call Omba Naratal's caretaker or someone to go and pick the drone nearby the blue hut. He is probably taking us to the nearest land where we can walk. So I managed to call him, and luckily I got a network in the middle of the lake and got to talk to him, and then managed someone to pick up the item. But I was not sure whether he'd pick it up and get it. I think the drone is getting drenched. What can I say? I hope it doesn't get damaged. चले? So finally got the drone. Uncle ने दिया है. Thank you, uncle. Okay, so if I finally pack and leave. I think the rain has gone, but it's very cold because even I am drenched in rain. मिल गया? मिल गया? हाँ. Uncle is also happy that I got the drone back. But I really want to see what's the condition of it. I have to clean it, dry it for a few days out in the sun. Okay. It's an awesome day. Hell of a relief after finding out the drone from the caretaker of the resort. Very cool. And it was time to get back to the homestay and actually get the feel and enjoy the canoe ride again back. But I'm still tensed whether the drone will work or not because it was completely drenched in water. It's very cold. Plus we have been in the rain, right? And the rays coming out looks so amazing. So after that, while coming back, the weather completely changed. The clouds went off, slowly the sun came in, the rays coming out of the sun and the peaceful ride. And uncle started to sing a song as well, entered into a different mood, entered into a different vibe, actually feeling the lake and its surrounding. This feeling was amazing, one hell of an experience where I literally felt all the climate around the lake and experience, even without knowing swimming, experience such kind of a weather condition. It's something I can't express through words, but I was literally feeling sad that I'm going back, getting back to my homestay and then probably packing my bags to Imphal. And I really hope that one day I'll come back again and explore more and meet more people around in Loktak. So while going through narrow strips, like narrow this water path, they'll turn the canoe and take the sharper edge, right, that pointed to that area. That will be easy to get through that small area patch. Finally we reached the homestay. It was a very fun ride. I think we started around by 6:30 and it's now 8:15, almost 1.5 hours of canoe ride. I think I should tip uncle not much with money but much more with love as well. He's explaining what happened. बैटरी खत्म, ऊपर से नीचे उतारा उधर. So there is a motor over here which fills up the toilet or the tank over there for the toilets. Put my drone here under the sun to dry it up. There is a lot of mud over here because it was raining, right? So let me clean this off properly. While I was packing my bags, the other guests were also leaving. They also got some fish, bought some fish from the lake, fisherman. They're also taking it back to their home. and it was time for me to thank everyone at the homestay where I was staying, and also tip them before I leave back to the land. Tagachiri. Tada, bye. Tagachiri.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tada. Tada. Bye bye to my room. Last final time into the boat. Okay. It is taking. Tata. So bye bye to this place. Bye bye. Tata. Tagachiri. Tagachiri. Kurumjari क्या है? Kurumjari, welcome. Oh, Kurumjari and Tagachiri. Kurumjari is basically welcome. Tagachiri is bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. So meanwhile, going back to the land from the homestay, I asked uncle to give me a chance to row the boat, and yeah, uncle didn't deny. I got a chance to row the boat, but it was very tough. I really didn't get the knack to actually swim towards where I wanted to, but it was kind of a different feeling that I got from this trip. Bye bye. So a new trip starts here. Obviously we'll miss this place for some time until I find my new holiday destination, or maybe a new place to actually come out of this wonderland. Bye bye to Loktak Lake. क्या करते हैं? पिग हाँ उसको देता है. अच्छा okay. So they gave it to the pigs. Okay bye. Tagachiri. चले. Okay. Guys, drop me at the bazaar where you get cabs to Imphal. So I got my seat here. I get my bag here. Probably waiting to fill up the cab and then they'll start. Okay then. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked this entire Loktak series, and I'll be coming back with another wonderful place in Manipur. Keep supporting me. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.